name is Dr. Hilda Habacon Aseoche. I am a single mom, a mother of 3 adorable kids, and I'm teaching for more than 13 years now. My inspiration is, of course, from our God Almighty, because all of us are experiencing a lot of things, and it just vary from one person to another. But furthermore, other than that, we are all experiencing tough times, especially this past few years because of the pandemic. So actually, the motivation for me is the problem we are facing. Because I feel motivated because I'm struggling on how to teach my children, my students, because we cannot meet them. They are also struggling with the internet connection, and most of my students doesn't have parents to support them or to guide them while they are studying, because most of the parents are working and some even lose their jobs. So some of the children need to work also to help the family surpass this situation. So what we did is we actually think of ways on how to reach them. I think attending online conferences is better than the physical one, because the participants may attend even though they are far from each other, and it's less expensive. I mean, it saves money, it saves time and effort, and at the same time, we have the chance to get to know more researcher and those who are starting. And it's a great privilege for a newbie, a new researcher like me, because if this is not online, I don't think I can join because of course, the financial aspect should be considered as well. And joining here is the best experience I had during my studies, and it is actually something very, what do you call that, eminent experience, because I get to learn about other researches and how others conduct their research, and I also learn from other participants as well.
Conference.
Actually, I am already encouraging most of my friends. Whenever they are asking me about conferences, I always suggest Eurasia.
Thank you so much.
I always tell them that they are very supportive. They're actually going to help you from start to finish, and they will not stop until you've published your work, until it's polished. Because of course, as a researcher, when you are doing it, the flow of idea, you should you should write it all down before you consider other aspects. Because in writing, if you consider grammar while you are writing, you might be distracted. You might lose that idea you have in mind. So Eurasia helped me with that. They also helped me polishing my work, and they assisted me all the way until I finished. And during the presentation, they were very accommodating, and all the people here are really friendly. You won't feel you are outcast or you don't belong. You will always feel that you're one of them, even though you're new here or you don't have any experience. Because I joined here, I don't have any experience joining conference. I haven't experienced presenting my work. So it was my first time, but I didn't feel I'm a nobody. They made me feel like I'm someone really eminent, despite the fact that I haven't started speaking. So it's really a good experience, and I really I really don't know what to say, what else to say to thank them, because they actually helped me to become a good speaker.